Hello, my name is Abdulla Fares, and today I'm going to talk about Zen Cart. Zen Cart is an online store management system. Developers of Zen Cart goal is to supply an excellent free e-commerce alternative for businesses and individuals. Zen Cart components consists of hardware, operating system, web server, PHP, database server, and PHPMyAdmin. And this is Zen Cart system design.
First of all, we are going to implement our web server, which is Apache, into the system directory, which is directory C. Then, we will edit httpd.conf file, which is located in the directory conf, inside the directory Apache 24. In this file, we need to rename the server as a local host, then enable server name command by deleting the hash symbol. After that, we will install the Apache server by using cmd as an administrator. But before installing it, you need to change your located directory into Apache 24/bin. Then type httpd space -k space install to install Apache server. Then type httpd space -k space start to start the Apache server. After that, check the Apache 24 service and make sure it is running. Then go to a web browser and type localhost, and if a note appears that says it works, that means your web server is working. And now, to set up the PHP, we will go to PHP folder that we downloaded it and copy everything inside it. Then we will create a new folder in directory C and name it PHP, but it does not matter if it's in capital format or not. Then paste everything inside this folder. After that, copy the name of this file. Then we will re-edit httpd.conf file, which is located in the directory conf inside the directory Apache 24. We will add several lines of command at the end of the file, and you should make sure that the path is correct and every single word is correct. Otherwise, PHP will not work. Then save the file. After that, search about word directory index, then type index.php before index.html and save the file. After that, go to the directory htdocs, which is located in the directory Apache 24, and delete index file. Then create a new text document and name it index.php. Then type inside index.php this command to make sure PHP is working. Then save the file. After that, go to the services page and restart Apache 24 service. Then go to the web browser and type localhost, then press on index.php.txt, and now as we can see, PHP version 7 is running. And now it's the time to install our database server, which means we will install MySQL, and we will begin our installing with accepting the license terms. After that, we will change the installing directory to directory C to avoid permission issues. Then Keep on pressing the next button until installing is complete. After that, re-click on the installing file to reconfigure MySQL server and choose Legacy Authentication Method, then press Execute. After that, copy phpMyAdmin folder that we downloaded it and paste it in htdocs folder and rename it to phpMyAdmin in lowercase format. After that, go to the web browser and type localhost, then press phpMyAdmin. After that, enter root as a username and the password that you inserted when you set up MySQL. After that, create a new database and name it Zen Cart. Then change the collection to Latin1_Swedish_CI. After that, create a new user using MySQL Workbench. Then name it as Hamad and give it all privileges. After that, copy Zen Cart directory that was downloaded and paste it in htdocs directory. Then rename it to Zen Cart in lowercase format. After that, go to localhost and web browser and press Zen Cart. Then click here to begin installation. Then press continue. After that, check the box for agreeing the license terms. Then press continue. After that, insert your database information. Then press continue. Then insert your information to set up admin users. After that, save admin password and admin directory name in Notepad. Then press continue. And now, as we can see, the step is finished.